Hi everybody. Today is color and flowers. I've had these 3 packs of flowers lying around for months. And in fact, I think they're starting to fade a little bit. So I decided I'm going to use them. I've got 80 grams of my 1:1 craft resin and I've pre-mixed it. And I'm just pouring half out into another container. My 2 molds, I've painted around the sides. I've got a bit of purple I've used and a little bit of blue mica powders. And it actually came out quite nicely. And I'm going to use alcohol inks this time. I want a very transparent, vibrant, very colorful coaster that I've got someone specifically in mind that I'm going to give them to. She loves flowers, she loves color, and she's just got a very eclectic home. So I didn't put a lot of drops. I just put, I think it was 2 or 3 drops of my alcohol ink into my resin and then stir really well. You don't want streaks. And I filled the mold about halfway with the resin. So each mold was 40 grams of resin that I used. I think the colors are absolutely stunning. I just love them. So I'm going to make her another 2. I'll have to work out what colors I'm going to use. But I absolutely love these 2 colors. So make sure you get your bubbles out. I used the heat gun. And now you don't want to put your flowers on just yet. Let your resin cure for about 80%. So I left them for a couple of hours. So it's kind of gel-like, it's sticky. And this is the perfect time to lay your little flower design out. So your flowers are still going to stick on the resin, but I've just done it before, and I try to put the flowers in when the resin was still very thin, and it was just messy. Some of the flower petals start kind of dipping down into the resin, and it was a bit of a mess up. So let your resin cure at least to about 80%. And then do your design. It's going to honestly work out so much easier for you. You've got so much more control. And you're just going to have such a better result. So while I'm putting on the last of the few little flowers, I just want to say thank you so much to all of you that have subscribed. The channel has grown so nicely and I really appreciate it. I really just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I'm loving doing this. And, if there's ever any questions, please just always put them in the comments. I do try my hardest to answer everybody and to reply. So this is what they were the next day. Everything's 100% cured. There's no bubbles. And I'm doing my top coat now. So I have got another 80 grams of my 1:1 craft resin that I pre-mixed. And I poured that over the top. And then I just took my silicone stick and I pressed down on some of the flowers, especially those little pink ones that are quite kind of puffy. And as I was pressing down, bubbles were coming out. So just be patient. You don't want bubbles. So I just go back and check for a while afterwards as well. And also use your heat gun. Get rid of all the bubbles that you can. Then I covered it, left it overnight, and this was the next day. And I was very chuffed. I really liked the colors. They were crystal clear, just very vibrant. I was very pleased with them. And the purple and the blue that I'd put around the edge of the mold, it just blended in really well with the whole thing, and I didn't have to go and do anything around the edge. I didn't want to put gold or anything like that. So that was the end result. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, I just love the colors. They're so beautiful. But thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.